how to make grape languni. So first, you need some sugar, probably about up to 25 grams. I'm not going to measure it though because I don't need to. And then you want, and then a skewer. And then you want to fill this bowl up with water, not full because then it won't be really sugary. And you can put as much as sugar as you want in it, but it matters how much you want in. Like how strong. So you get that. You mix. Get a spoon and mix it. And then you want to get some grapes, any colour, but I think green do the best. Don't matter how much, just get some grapes, put them in water, get the stalk off. Don't matter how much you put in. Put in like 10, at least 10. How much you mean now? Okay, and now you want to mix it to make sure all that sugar water gets on it. Put like 10 or 11 in. Just make sure it's enough for the skewer. And then you want to poke holes in them all. To make sure they get some sugar water in it, so when you bite in it might do like a crackle. And you mix it again. And then it might start to bubble a bit. And then that means when it's gone in the hole. And then you want to start putting them on your skewer. I think this skewer is going to be full, to be honest, because it's not too much grapes in it. You can get a bigger skewer if you can, but just got a mini skewer. So now that you've done that, myself. Yeah, and make sure they're all covered. Make sure the top one is especially covered. And then you want to put it in the freezer for like 3 or 4 hours. And then you take it out and just eat it. Okay, bye.